Whoa, hear the bullfrogs? And then there's birds, there's geese, ducks, the occasional crickets. I thought that usually come out in the evening. And then you'll hear airplanes. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, I'm at Silver Lake Park, just outside of Haymarket, Virginia. And behind me there, of course, is Silver Lake. There's people out there kayaking and canoeing and fishing, and there's even horseback riding out here. So anyway, I get asked a lot what vlogging equipment I use. I use 4 different types of cameras. I use the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPad 9.7 Pro, the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and the Nikon D7100. I basically use the iPhone and the iPad. My GoPro, I'll use that if I'm going to be mountain biking, regular biking, walking on trails, mountains, just a little more activity where I don't have to, I can just mount that either to my chest or head or arm or wherever I want to put the GoPro. The D7100, I don't use that very much. Basically, if I'm just going to be sitting in one area, like fireworks or something, where I can just leave it on the tripod and do that. My tripods, I'll use like a real sturdy tripod for wind. And oh, excuse me, almost swallowed a bug there. I got a monopod and a mini tripod. Like I said, just depending on what I'm going to do that day, just what tripods I'm going to use. My microphones, I use a Rode Video Stereo mic or the Rode Wireless Go microphones. So this is going to be a 4-part series, about 2 or 3 minutes long for each one of those. So let's get started. So here's my setup for my iPhone 12 Pro. Just a little overlook here. Do a little bit of turning around. But I'll start from the bottom. Of course, I'll leave links to everything in the bottom in the description here. So like I said, this is for the iPhone 12 Pro. On the bottom here, I have this is a great company. It's from iFootage. It's the iFootage Cobra 2 Mini Pod. And what I like about this, even with the gimbal, is you can just, if you want to do some other tricks, I guess, with your gimbal here, this is a lot easier if you have it on a table, or even if you're just holding it. It's just pretty nice. That just locks right in here. What's nice is these have quick releases, so just pull that, then you can just walk this around and then just snap it right back in. So of course, like I said, that's the iFootage Cobra 2 Mini Pod. Then from here I have the Yancey PT3 triple cold shoe mount. And then what I did is I unscrewed it from here, and then what I put in here is from Small Rig. It's a ball head mount cold shoe. And I make this, it's a lot easier, especially with this cord here, so it doesn't have to stretch as much. And then I have my Rode Wireless Go here. And then this is a SC7 TRS to TRRS. And then for that to hook up into your iPhone, I have an Apple Lightning to head jack cable, 3.5 millimeter. And then if I want to do some evening shots, I have my Lume Cube mini panel just on the cold shoe here. And then of course with the DJI OM4 and my iPhone 12 Pro. So that's my setup for that. And on that note, Traveler saying, see you later.